This is a 2020 Kia Soul GT, black over black interior. Power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped sports steering wheel, Bluetooth for your cell phone, traction control, automatic transmission, USB for your phone, push button start, air conditioning, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat. Aluminum wheels. Backup camera. There's a look at the storage in the rear. The rear seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, so it's fuel efficient. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Brooksville, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.